Welcome to this episode of the brainbi Quick Start Guide. Today I want to show you how to upload data from Microsoft Excel to the brainbi platform. We first log into the platform and then click on Bulk Import on the left menu bar. You find it pretty much at the end. Choose the elements you want to upload. Here we select products. We recommend you to use our template files that we linked at each page for you. Using this templates make sure there are no problems during the upload. The template contains all columns that can be imported to brainbi. Choose the right ones and insert your data here. Make sure you save the file in the save format as downloaded. Click and upload your file. Once the upload finishes, you need to match your imported columns to our platform's logic. Using the template it is pretty easy. Look at these drop-down buttons at the top and select your column, that is shown as a preview underneath, to the right brainbi column. Remember, the drop-down is the target data column and underneath is your imported data. Make sure these match. Remember that you can always email the brainbi support for help. Click on Upload once is finished. You will get a success message if all went well. Now let us see what happens. You can for example check if the pricing data was imported correctly, changes prices or set your minimal margin for each product. For that go to Settings under Pricing Analytics on the left menu bar. Thank you for watching this video. And remember that we can help you with uploading your data, especially if you have large data files.